Hi everyone, this will be a very quick video for today. We're just going to go over what we learned yesterday, relook at it, and then I will give you your assignment for today. So again, there are 5 rules when it comes to dialogue. The first one is to always put quotation marks around what someone is saying. Number 2, capitalize the first word of what the person is saying. So not only the beginning of a sentence, but also the first thing that that person is saying in the sentence. Number 3, place ending punctuations inside of the quotation marks. So a comma, comma, question mark, exclamation point, period, so on. Identify the speaker, said Mike, explain Kim, so that's where you need to add those commas there as well. And then you also need to, number 5 is each time a person speaks, start a new paragraph. So we're going to look over again what we did together yesterday. So yesterday you guys helped me edit this conversation between myself, my mom, and my brother, and you guys did an awesome job. So it says, yesterday I went to the store and yelled, quote, does anyone need anything? Question mark, quote, because that is what I yelled. Sentence 2, which is also paragraph number 2, because now it is somebody else talking. My brother responded, quote, I do. I need toothpaste, cheese, and bread, quote, because that is what he said. I responded saying, okay, I answered, does anyone else need anything, quote. Then my mom said, oh yes, I do, quote, yelled my mom, quote, I need vegetables and chicken for dinner, quote. Then again, another paragraph down. So all you have to do is click the enter button and the tab button once. Quote, okay, I will get that as well, quote, because I'm finishing what I'm saying now. I responded, I will be back soon, I said to them. This was maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was a 6-sentence little story conversation about me going to the grocery store and if anybody in my family needed anything. Today, your assignment is going to be to either log into Google Classroom, or you can do it on the paper base and then send us a picture. But you need to come up with a conversation with at least one other person and write just a few sentences kind of like this. So maybe you want to tell me about your argument with a sibling because that person stole your toy. Or maybe you want to have a conversation like I did about does anybody need anything from the grocery store. Maybe you want to ask a family member if they need any help and see what their response is. This can be totally made up. It does not have to be real, but it does need to have a dialogue in your paper. I'm not asking for anything very long, but at least 5 sentences because that gives you the opportunity to talk at least twice and the other person the opportunity to talk at least twice. And that is really what keeps a conversation going. If you have any questions, I have provided some examples for you on the Google Classroom and on the paper base. I've also provided sentence starters that you can use as well. Feel free to take advantage of those. If you need to call me and have a conversation with me on the phone and then you can type the conversation out we had, that is also fine. I am happy to help you any way I can. Please let me know if you have any other questions. If not, have a wonderful 3-day weekend and I will see you again on Monday. Bye!